Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 25th of March, 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, wind, solar, and hydropower curtailment in Chile's grid totaled an estimated 1.4 terawatt-hours in January and February 2026. That is up 29.3% from the same period in 2025 and 44.1% higher than in 2024. During the 2-month period, which is the height of Chile's summer, photovoltaic solar power was curtailed the most, wasting 1.1 terawatt-hours. Wind power curtailment reached 360.7 gigawatt-hours. On March 25, the National Energy Administration released national electricity statistics for January-February 2026. As of the end of February, the country's cumulative installed power generation capacity reached 3.95 terawatts, a year-on-year increase of 15.9%. Among them, the installed capacity of solar power generation was 1.23 terawatt. That is a year-on-year increase of 33.2%. Wind power installed capacity is 650 gigawatts. That is a year-on-year increase of 22.8%. Over 32 gigawatts of renewable projects and 45 billion euros of private investment is at risk in Germany. Plans by the Ministry of Economic Affairs would slow the expansion of wind energy and photovoltaics in 90 districts. Those districts would be considered capacity-limited network areas under the ministry's plans. Although new wind and solar systems are likely to continue to be built there, operators will no longer receive compensation for curtailment due to grid bottlenecks. The International Windship Association has said that, quote, the fallout from the Persian Gulf conflict and yet another crisis for fossil fuels is why we must end our reliance on carbon-based fuels. The wind industry is well placed to limit future impacts of these crises through its innovative technology. The German government plans to put out for tender an additional 12 gigawatts of onshore wind energy capacities by 2030. They are seeking to increase the country's energy independence amid uncertainties triggered by the conflict in the Middle East. The additional capacities must be operational by 2030, helping Germany to move away from oil and gas and become more energy independent. The plan comes after sector associations previously appealed for higher tender volume in 2026. They believe the currently oversubscribed auctions are slowing down expansion. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.